Make a great choice today with the 2016 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM, FM, CD, MP3 radio, electronic stability control, fog lights, power windows, security system. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.